You can go ahead and take your red lock off.
Yeah, that's an easy one there, it looks like. You just got us today?
Huh?
Just got us today, or you got a couple spots, or?
No, just you two.
Oh, right on. Good.
Much fuller than last time.
Harder to see what's in there.
It's like he added some stuff. Yeah, I think you guys are the only ones up here in Paradise that we have.
Well, our other service stopped doing it, so.
Huh.
You don't mind driving up here, do you? Chat
No,
town?
I like it.
Yeah, that's what I figured, cause I said you live in Sac. Somewhere.
Yeah, that's cool. I've never, the last time I was up here was actually my first time I came to Paradise.
It's nice up here, man. I lived in Sac for a
I
while.
never, I mean, I knew it existed, but I never, it's not exactly what you thought Paradise was.
Right. Yeah, it's not bad up here. You know, like 30 miles up the road, road in, so, you know, it's like Alaska up there. You get all your felons and your, I call them end of the road people, man, you know. They're like, they won't look for me up here.
Right? Too far from
Yeah,
civilization.
something, man. They always find me. So I do something wrong.
Kind of how it is, though.
Yeah. Well, you gotta pay your crap, man.
Yeah. If you don't want to do the time, don't do the crime.
Pay your bill.
Okay, let's see what you got for us today.
Companies come out here with a big flatbed, and they have a big old generator on there to run their saw. And I'm like, man, they bring a Toyota and a freaking cordless saw.
No, I've heard people say that people do that.
Yeah, they come on a big old truck, and I mean, it had a huge generator on it.
Yeah, I just don't see why you would need that much.
I think they did a lot of manufacturing storage jobs. I guess you guys do too. I know what you're saying.
Oh, yeah.
You got a big warehouse full of stuff.
Yep. How big is this?
It's a 10 by 20.
Dollar.
Yeah, that's a long one.
Pretty good.
Come in yesterday, how much do I owe? Like $350, bro. Plus you're gonna get some stuff added for this too, so. Well, I should talk, you know, Comcast called me like 6 times in the last week, you know. I'm like, just make it till Friday, man. Shut off my high def. The internet, oh man.
Into the world, man.
Yeah, I don't know what to do, man. today. I got it.
Usually they come at this time. I have money in the bank already.
Get something good to
Yeah.